Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Curious Double R. I am Ramesh Riyang. Today I'm going to talk and show about rural tree trimming tricks, especially on palm trees like coconut trees. So we'll be talking about palm trees today for this video. Now, when we think about trimming palm trees, it's something that typically a property does every year. The first thing that most people think about with palms is the fronds that hang down the branches, so to speak, the green part of the tree. And pretty much every year the palms grow and the old fronds turn brown and they look ugly. And they need to be trimmed off. And here is my guy who goes up a coconut tree like Spider-Man, and up there he trims off the old dead fronds, and also the seed pods. Pretty much every year needs to do that. Now one thing that you do run into palms is the old roots. It's the part where the frond connects to the trunk. That's the spiky part of the trunk that you start to see, and you should cut it off. Oftentimes, those aren't cleaned off, and over time they become kind of ugly and they don't look clean. And those are very difficult to remove. They take a lot of time and they make a lot of mess. If you have neglected palm tree that hasn't had those cleaned off in a long time, I need to tell you, it takes a long time to do it, and anything that takes a long time to do it is gonna take a lot of labor to perform it. By trimming off the coconut tree, we simply cut the boundaries and remove the breeze between the rodents and the squirrels that can spoil the coconuts, or they can fall off the coconuts by eating at the roots of the coconut, even the tender ones. Now let's talk something about the importance of coconut tree and the coconut itself. Coconuts are known for their versatility of uses, ranging from food to cosmetics. The inner flesh of the mature sheet, as well as the coconut milk extracted from it, forms a regular part of the diet of many people in the tropics and subtropics. Coconuts are distinct from other fruits because their endosperm contains a large quantity of clear liquid called coconut water or coconut juice. Mature ripe coconuts can be used as edible seeds or processed for oil and plant milk from the flesh. Charcoal from the hard shell and coir from the fibrous husk. Dried coconut flesh is called copra, and the oil and milk derived from it are commonly used in cooking, frying in particular, as well as in soaps and cosmetics. The hard shells, fibrous husks, and long pinnate leaves can be used as material to make a variety of products for furnishing and decorating. The coconut also has cultural and religious significance in certain societies, particularly in India, where it is used in Hindu rituals. Here, as you can see on video, the golden pot, as said by the cleaner, is used as a shelter for various birds. The birds lay eggs and hatch inside the pot. Whenever the squirrels come to the tree, the birds on the coconut tree will defend against the squirrel, hence protecting the coconut. The coconut cleaner also use some kind of spray to spray it over the tender coconuts. As a result, the insects and birds, including rodents and squirrels, won't be able to eat or harm the coconuts, and thereby avoiding the loss of tender coconuts by not letting it fall. The coconut branches, that is the fronds, should be cut off nearly about 30% of it, so that the squirrel have no chances to jump from other trees and then come onto the coconut. When the cleaning is almost done, the cleaners will tie up the ardent pod on the tree in such a way that it don't break or fall off even during strong winds and rain. The coconut trees, if cleaned once a year, then it will bear more healthy coconuts, because the tender coconuts have been well protected by spraying some pesticides. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like it. And friends, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends.